Hi friends, a square piece of side 18 centimeter is to be made into a box. So they have given a square. This is a square tin. Okay, what is that? 18 centimeter is the side. This is your 18 centimeter, 18 centimeter. So all the sides are 18 centimeter. Okay, now they are going to cut the corner by cutting a square from each corner. So just you cut here. Okay, this is the corner. Each corner they cut. So what is the side of the square that we don't know, but we can keep it x, x, x. So 4x square will be removed. They removed 4x square from the tin. So what is the maximum volume they are asking? Okay, all the corner. Okay, what should be the side? Let the side of the square is x. Let the side of the square is x to be cut off. The volume of the box is maximum. So we want volume of box. So volume of cuboid what? L into B into H. So what is your L? After cutting the x, this side x, the length should be 18 minus 2x. That is your length. So what is your length? 18 minus 2x. What is your breadth? Breadth also the same thing. 18 minus 2x. Height is x. Okay. So this is your new formula. Now you can simplify that. Take 2 common, and if you take 2 common, this is 9 minus x. If you take 2 common, okay, 2 square, 9 minus x whole square. 9 minus x whole square into x. You can simplify that. What is that? 9 nines are 81 minus 2 nines are 18x plus x are x square into x. You can reorder x cube minus 18 x square plus 81x. So whenever you are talking about the maximum volume, whenever the word maximum is come to you, you have to derivative it. Okay, this is your f of x. So what is the first order derivative? F dash of x. When you derivative it, this becomes 3x square minus 36x plus 81. If you make f dash of x is 0, then you can get a critical point. How to get critical point? Find f dash of x equal to 0. Then you can take a 3 also common. When you take 3 common, 3 4s are 12. 12 is common, so x square minus 12x and plus 27, which is equal to 0. Product of two numbers is 27. Now maybe 3 into 9. 3 9s are 27. By adding 3 and 9 become minus 12. So minus 3 minus 9. So we can factorize. X minus 3 is one factor. X minus 9 is another factor. So there are two values we have. X equal to 3 is one value. X equal to 9 is another value. Now, after finding the critical point, we are talking about the maximum volume. So for maximum volume, either you can substitute x equal to 3 in that f of x, or x equal to 9 in the f of x, and find which will give the maximum is the maximum value. So manually local maximum, local minimum technique, directly you can substitute in the f of x. If you want to check it, you can go with the second order checking technique. So how to do that? You can check it without finding direct method. So go with the second order derivative of dash of x. Okay. So after you taking 12 common, you can derivative. X square derivative become 2x. 12x derivative 12. And 27 derivative 0. So no need to write. Now again you can take 2 common. So 24 into x minus 6 is the second order derivative. So you can check with the second order derivative if positive minimum, negative maximum. So now you can substitute and check. To check the maximum, okay, you can check it f double dash of 3. When you put in f double dash of 3, what happened? It is put 3 negative. So f double dash of 3, if you put that 24, 3 minus 6, so total value is negative. If it is negative, x equal to 3 gives, okay, x equal to 3 gives maximum value. You can find f double dash of 6, checking. Then if you put sorry 9 f double dash of 9, then what happened? 24 9 minus x, this is positive. So positive means x equal to 9 gives, at x equal to 9 we can get minimum. Positive means minimum, gives minimum volume. So if you want to find maximum volume, what to do? So directly you can go to f of x and substitute x equal to 3. Okay. So the maximum volume at x equal to 3. So you go with the f of 3. Go there, put 3 in f of x. So what is f of x? 4 into, yeah, there you can substitute. This is your f of x, correct? Actual f of x is here. 2 2s are 4, okay. And 9 minus, what is x? 3 whole square into x is 3. That's all. So this is your maximum volume. With the cubic centimeter, you can write this is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 6 are 36 into 3. Okay. Now 4 into 36. Okay, how much? You can go with 4 into 36. 6 4s are 24. Balance 2. 3 4s are 12. 14 into 3. How much? You will get 3 4s are 12, excess 1. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13, excess 1. 1 3s are 3 plus 1, 4. So 432 cubic centimeter. This is your maximum volume of this problem. Understand, dear students?